Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of Nursery University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is matching. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 26 and today is our revised class. Okay, my dear students, today we will learn matching. My dear students, you know that today is our revised class and you have already learned this matching. My dear students, you see here two types of left side, right side and left side. My dear students, in the left side you see letter or Arabic word. In the right side you see here is the meaning. We have to match this right side meaning with left side letter or Arabic word. We have to match all of these meaning with the left side, with the letter or meaning. So my dear students, this is the pattern for your examination. This is the pattern for your examination. You have to draw only line. You have to draw only line. Okay, we will pick up for you this box. We will arrange for you this box. You will only draw a line. That will be enough for you. Okay, my dear students, let's start. Okay, at first. Now, you know that, my dear students, alif means alif for ummun, alif for ummun, and you know that ummun means mother, ummun means mother. So we have to match ummun with mother. So now we will draw a line, my dear students. Look at the board. We know that ummun means mother, so you will draw a line like that. Ummun means mother, alif for ummun, ummun means mother. You will only draw. That will be enough for you. Okay, my dear student. Then second one, ta for taktun. Ta for taktun. Yes, my dear students, you know that taktun means coat. Taktun means coat. In this regard, you have to draw a line like that. Taktun means coat. Now, my dear students, jim for jamalun. Jim for Jamalun. Jamalun means camel. Yes, Jamalun means camel. So you have to draw a line from Jamalun to camel. In your exam paper, you have to draw a line like that. Okay, my dear student, that Tha for Saljun. Tha for Saljun. You know that Saljun means eyes. Saljun means eyes, so we have to draw a line like that. Saljun means eyes. Saljun means eyes, my dear students. Now, ba for babun. Yes, you know that babun means door. Ba for babun. Babun means door. In this regard, we have to draw a line like that from babun to door. From babun to door. My dear students, this is a matching. In your exam paper, you have to draw a line like that. We will pick up this letter and meaning for you. You will only draw a line. That will be enough for you. Okay, my dear students, we have again learned matching. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, in your exam paper, you will only draw a line. That will be enough for you. We will pick up a letter or Arabic word or meaning, everything. You will only draw a line. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. There is no SW today. There is no SW today. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.